Sister! Where did she go?
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool?
Sister,
Yes, sir.
give me
yes,
a hat
sir,
and tarpaulin.
3 bags full.
That was outside of our home.
Okay.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir.
Hey,
yes, sir.
children.
3 bags full.
Are you playing? Okay. Play.
With father being angry, he didn't show any love to my mother. My mother slowly fell into Nachimuthu uncle's trap.
Yeah, I'm missing my place a lot because I'm out for the first time.
You could have brought your mother, right? She could have given company to my mother and you would be free to do your work.
Yeah, that is also right.
We'll be back right now.
Okay, brother.
You see, Raghavan Master is coming.
Who is he? I am asking you, who is he? Who are you, man? Outside people are not allowed to play here. I'll give you...
Okay, that's enough. You broke your wife's back, left your children and left the village. You deserted us. And now you're talking like you're a righteous person. And now you're acting like you're proud because you're our father. That is over 20 years ago. Okay, not that. You think you're our guardian? Now we don't need that at all. I don't even want to look at your face.
Shut your mouth, bloody bitch! What are you staring at me, bloody? I'll
Hey,
kill you.
listen.
Leave me.
Don't fight.
Please let us live in peace. Give us a little bit of peace at least.
Don't talk too much.
Don't dare to touch her. She is my girl.
Come. Nila,
Sir,
did you close the last month's account? I couldn't see the files.
Sham is on leave today. Some works are pending over here. Shall I give you by tomorrow?
Fine. I can wait till Saturday. Monday we have the auditing. You know that, right?
Okay, sir.
Excuse me. Where is the Talir Finance located?
See, there it is.
Thank you. Excuse me.
Yes.
Sarath, sir?
Yes.
Alex sir told us.
Ah.
I'm Shyam. This is Nila. She's an accountant.
Hi.
He and a girl has gone to Chennai on an urgent work.
Oh,
I think it's regarding admission. He'll come tomorrow.
yeah, I know. He called me.
There's a room for you in this hotel.
Ah.
Room number is 162. Go and take rest, sir. After travel,
Yeah.
you'll be very tired.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, sir.
Shyam would have told about the room.
Yeah, room number 162, first floor.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Sarah?
When you landed over there?
Yeah, I just came in. They said you're on the way to Trivandrum. I thought to call you after getting fresher. So, what about the admission?
What to say, everything is an old model. He used to find some college and he finds some wrong things over that college. College is not good and food is not good there. He used to say something like this. Actually, you don't like me to go out from the home.
So, where are you now?
I'm on the way coming.
Put the call in the speaker.
I'll give the phone to Dad.
Hi, Sharath.
Hello, sir.
When did you come?
Yeah, I just arrived.
Good. Shyam had called from the office. You can take rest today. Tomorrow morning you can join. We are on the way now. We'll reach in few minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Alex sir just called me. Tomorrow I have to join. I still have only one wish. Have to go to Pushpagiri. I have to see him also.
Hey, shut up. Don't you scream. Hey. Hey. I said don't shout. Don't shout. Keep your mouth shut. Hey. Hey. Let me.
Come.
Hey.
Whatever may be, let him be inside. Then he will behave properly. Here, why are you staring at her? Forgot about the beatings? Don't worry about anything, okay? Henceforth, forget about him. I will do necessary actions. Look at these faces. They are basically fraud. With what guts you came with him?
He cheated me, sir. When I lost my job, he promised to get me a new job, and that is why he brought me here.
You need something to eat?
Oh, not now. Come.
Okay, where's the interview? You said there's an interview here, but there's no one here.
You don't require an interview. I have already arranged for your job in a big shop. Let's go there after some time.
Then why did we come here?
After your father had left the town, I was supporting you always. Your education, medicines for your sick mother. I have spent a lot for you all. I do expect something in return, you know that, no? If you listen to me, you'll have no problems.
Even after I knew that you were the one who wrecked our family, there was absolutely no choice.
You bloody! Have you grown up so much that you are raising hands against me here? Hey, come. Don't shout, I said. Don't scream. I said I won't.
Hereafter, don't worry about anything. I'll take care of this guy. You carry on. Sorry to ask you, what about your father?
Sister, I am here. Muthu.
Who's that, mother?
Nachi uncle dear. You sleep here.
Hey, open the door.
Muthu,
Are you dead?
Muthu.
Open the door, bloody.
My husband came here.
Open the door.
Get up.
I said open the door.
Oh my God.
What is she doing inside?
I don't know what to do now.
Open the bloody door. Shall I break the door? Are you opening it?
Oh my god.
Open the door.
Stop.
Hey! Why you took so much of time to open the door? Blood is sleeping inside like a buffalo. I'm here to work hard and you're relaxing.
It's okay. There is no reason for cry now. Who is this?
This is the sir who saved me.
My name is Sharat. I just came to join in the finance company.
Okay.
Basically from Kodaikanal. So what are you doing?
I am assistant driver of the jeep. My name is Mani.
And your family?
Family, these are my family. This city and the people of this city. 26 years, because of an accident I became an orphan. Now there is nobody for me. Everything is my Ashok brother. And also these people. You get in, sir. I will drop you.
That's not needed. I'm in the hotel only. So I'll take care of it.
You please get in. It's on the way. I will drop you. Because of God's grace, no bad things happen.
Hello, sir. Please tell me.
All the accounts which has been prepared till date, you bring it to my house. We will have to check it completely.
Okay, sir. Nila?
Sir?
Hi, Sharat sir.
I just came to meet you only.
Why, sir?
I need a small help. I need a home for rental in your place.
There is no issue, sir. I will arrange it. There is a house nearby Anju's house. I think that tenants left.
Ah.
I will ask them.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.
How much? 20 rupees.
Hey Sarath, what a surprise! You came here?
Hey, I'm already elder than you. So why don't you respect me as a brother?
Oh, you are such a big person, I have to call you brother.
Yeah, that is also right. When you are a small kid, I used to lift you and roam here and there. Hope you still remember that. At least for that purpose, please call me as brother.
Okay. I'll try my best. I'll try to call you brother.
Hey,
See?
where's your dad? I have to leave now.
Oh my. Always busy. Daddy is inside only.
Oh, please go and call him now. If I leave the 7:30 vehicle, then I can't go back to my home.
Daddy asked you to stay here, right? Why you refuse?
You will not get changed. Will you be like this always ever?
Yeah. You are such a celebrity like Ajit. Inside.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
You're absolutely right. She's the same old childish girl even now.
Sharat used to go
Cool.
now. Later I'll be here.
Sit down.
Huh.
Actually, I had gone to see one land today.
Huh.
That's why I didn't come to office.
Okay, what happened?
Oh, there is no water. It'll not work out. So I said no. You bring something to drink for him? Go. Till today, she has not changed at all. I feel she should have been a small child till now. Okay, I hope your mother is fine.
She's good. No problems at all.
When we left our hometown, you were a very small boy. Your mother has really worked hard for your growth. You could have brought your mother here.
I already called her, but she doesn't want to leave that place at all forever.
She's right. Nice place. How can she leave that? But my wife was not comfortable with the climate, so we came from there. That day, after leaving that place, we met with an accident. Both leaving her husband and her child. She just went away. From that day till this day, myself and my daughter are alone. Now, I need to get my daughter married to complete my responsibility.
What are you planning about me over here? I have a lot of time, right? We'll think about.
All daughter will say the same dialogue, but I will take care of that. You do one thing. You check the office accounts completely, which Sharat has brought. She will help you. I have a slight headache. I'm going to take some rest. Okay? You give Sharat something to eat, dear.
He prepared a hot dosa.
Get me the laptop first of all. I have to finish it and I have to go back home.
You have to go. Be here itself.
I have to leave now. You just go and get it now.
You want dosa or laptop?
I already told you. Get me the laptop.
Today the cold is little bit more, isn't it?
Yes, you are right, father.
Good morning, Father. How are you?
Praise the Lord.
You come very late today.
Yeah, it got a little late.
Hey Raghav, stay there. I was wondering for you.
What's the matter?
Hey, listen. Why did you beat them without any reason?
My action is a big problem for you. If required, I will beat or I will kill also. Wherever it is, I don't mind at all.
It should not happen again. Why this concern suddenly as you threw them away so many years back? Here, don't you know how that family lived earlier? Suddenly you're showing your fatherism on them? Hey, listen. Let their children live at least. Mind it, your daughter has become the SA of this area. If you do such things, your daughter will arrest you, put you behind the bars. But that shame is not for you, will fall on her. Better keep in mind.
Those insults she will take care. Your job is to send good people to the heaven. Don't give me unnecessary advice.
Oh, is it? I look after. You are an irresponsible creature.
Father, meeting is at 10 a.m.
Yeah. Hey, you are responsible to answer all these things one day. When you weep on that day, none will come. You will be shedding your blood.
Hey, just take him away.
Come, Father.
Jesus, save this child.
Brother, I'm leaving.
Okay, come early tomorrow.
Okay.
Pushpagiri, 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 Pushpagiri. Hey, come get in. Pushpagiri, Pushpagiri. Pushpagiri, Pushpagiri, Pushpagiri. Ashok bro, we can start.
Hey boys, there's no fire in your game. Play your game firefully.
Do you want to play? At least 10 minutes?
Whatever I played till date, you can't even imagine.
It's all your illusion, Father.
What a poor game you're playing.
My God, just missed.
What happened? Jesus Christ, your life is saved by Lord Jesus.
Father, please don't tell this to anybody else.
I don't understand what is the reason behind this.
He was a very good hunter in his early age. He is specialist in archery. He can handle even guns also. He is able to hunt all kinds of wild animals. But I am still confused why he has this much of enmity with you.
He doesn't want me to have friendship with her daughter. That's the reason he's doing like this. I think he's still angry on me.
I'm only worried about her daughter. From her younger age, she is the one who is desperately working for the family. In 1960s, many people they came from Surli for their livelihood. When Merlin was 1 year, their parents came to this place. This was a forest at that time. They plowed the land for harvesting. Like them, there were many people who were not ready to leave this place. On that day, Mr. Abdul Qadir was the SP and many police and forest people, they made a big hangama in this place. Police charged against them and shot at them. During that shoot, Merlin's father and mother was dead. During that incident, one Father Thomas told me a statement which I even remember now. Father Thomas was responsible for the studies of Merlin. When she was 12th, she got the friendship of Raghavan. It ended with their marriage. In those days, Raghavan was very good. Their family was running very smoothly. But unexpected mishappening occurred. But that Raghavan tried to kill Merlin and left the children. He flew away. And after 20 years, he came back and living with this Panchami. Whatever may be, listen, you be careful, my Jesus Christ.
Sister, first I need to get a blessings from you, so only I came here. What, sister? You become a police officer. Why you are crying now? Sister? We will run our family very happy. Go to the church and get the blessings from the Father. Actually, Father only recommended me for this location. Sister, did you saw Trish?
I once saw her in the town. She had her baby with her. Her mother-in-law was also accompanying her. I could not speak with her. You know about her, right?
Daddy.
I've seen. He once fought with me at the junction. He hit Saras sir unnecessarily. Let him do anything to me. But Saras sir is a good man.
I'm glad to see a police officer here.
All your blessings, Father.
Nothing mine, all because of Jesus Christ.
We are talking about you only, Father.
Is it? You look more smart in this police uniform, my child. Hereafter, you have to take care of this area and surroundings, my child. Marlene, how are you feeling now?
Past 23 years, I was suffering like this only, Father.
You don't worry. God will listen to all the prayers of these children.
I don't want to get up, Father. I want to die immediately. That's enough for me.
Marlene, more than you, many people are struggling in this world. Believing people are always blessed by God. Marlene, submit all your problems in front of the God. He will save you from the crisis.
Okay, Father. We'll go.
Hello? Tavam Finance?
Sir, I'm only. Seva here.
Ha! What, madam? You called me this time?
I was free, so only I just called you.
Is that so? But I'm busy with work here.
Always used to say like this only. You not even talking with me in home itself.
Sarah, I'm a bit busy now. I'll call you when I get some time.
What, you are going to cut the call?
Customer is here.
Okay.
Okay.
That photo, that eyes, I have seen it somewhere. Give me a tea.
Babu, give him a tea. You need something to eat? We got hot bhajis.
Not required.
Sir, you don't seem to be local here. Have you come from a nearby town?
I'm coming from outside this town.
Oh, you have come here in some search of a job?
Can I get a place, I mean a rented house to stay here?
You may get a room here, but it's a bit costly. It may cost you 50 rupees per month. Babu, bro has come here in search of a job. Show him the house which is on the side of a lake. Take the keys. For the time being, you can stay here. As far as job is concerned, I will take care of that.
Today, in my village festival going to start. Come here and pray. Everything will be good and positive.
I will come. Not to seek God. My lovers, only you. During the festival time, I'll be staying nearby the temple. You have to come and save me. I will wait for you.
I have a lot of fear. If someone seen me,
Come dear. Sit down. Don't worry.
Gare gaya, gare ni, niyam ge nama.
You bloody bitch! You spoiled a family name. You'll catch him! Hey, you! You
just
scoundrel! I'm not going to let you down. Don't run, man! Hey, don't leave him!
Hey, catch
Hit him.
catch him! Catch him!
Hey, don't run! Don't leave him!
Catch him! Hit him!
Catch him! Don't leave him!
You come
Put
here.
down to the floor. Put down to the floor.
Kill him! Kill him!
Yeah, hit him.
Don't let him live! Hold him! Catch him!
Scoundrel.
Catch!
Hey, catch him.
It's she. So that man.
Stop! Hey! Stop! Hey!
Sharat sir,
Hey,
are you okay?
What happened? Who are they?
I don't know.
Hey, you are bleeding.
It's okay.
Oh,
No
nothing
problem.
happened, no.
25 rupees. Just note it down. Oh, always I used to write the money here.
What, sister? Looking very angry?
Get lost. Face fellow is asking me. If I'm not getting the money, then what I'll do?
In the morning itself, why are you getting a scolding from her?
That's right. Get me a strong tea
With or without?
without sugar.
What is happening, bro? Nowadays, everybody out here are having without. What is the matter? Everybody is in love, huh?
Huh? What is the reason?
No diabetes.
Bro, what is the time now?
Time is it? 4:30.
Then give me a vada from there.
Yeah, you ate vada at 4:30 only, na? Anything special in the newspaper?
Nothing very special to be talked
You were
about.
not able to read it in the morning?
No.
Oh. Here, Jose. Listen, Jose, what exactly happened in the morning today?
What shall I tell you? I don't know who was angry with that guy so badly.
Yeah, that's what I also don't understand. Yeah, but it was just like seeing a fight scene in a cinema. What fight with the hands and legs and also a gun?
With a gun?
Oh, gun was not there.
Sir, we reached Pushpagiri.
What happened? Oh, you become so sad? What's the matter? Just tell me.
He came. He had come here.
Who? Who's that?
Pushpagiri, 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 Pushpagiri. Ah, get in. Pushpagiri, 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 Pushpagiri. Yeah, get in. Pushpagiri, Pushpagiri, Pushpagiri. Where is this Ashok brother? Pushpagiri, 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 Pushpagiri.
Why? There are no passengers for Pushpagiri today?
Yeah, what you said is true. Pushpagiri, 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 Pushpagiri.
Okay, let's go with whoever has come.
Pushpagiri, 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 Pushpagiri.
Bro, why don't you buy lottery?
No need.
Lottery,
Okay,
lottery, buy
right, we
lottery.
can move.
Lottery.
Just stop the car. Daddy,
My dear child.
Jose, what happened? There's no load today?
Mm.
Oh, could be because of the rain. People are praying for rains, huh? There's going to be a lot of rains today, I think. Surely today it'll be raining. Isn't it, Keshava?
What Shaker bro? Your granddaughter's studies are over? Heard she has come here? The exams are not over, but she has come on a steady holiday. When the exams are over, she'll become a doctor. We need to celebrate this.
After she becomes a doctor, I have to do my eye operation.
She's not a veterinary doctor.
Tell that to your dad. Want anything to eat?
Tea.
Okay.
Now we came to know about him. Just now he released from jail.
The Citibank manager is staying next to your house, right?
He's a very innocent chap. You don't create problems, sir.
A guy who has challenged me cannot live in this town peacefully.
Fighting in a house where only women is living is not braveness, dear.
Hey, what did you say? Keep your mouth shut with me. If not, I'll kill you.
What's it required?
Pushpagiri, 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 Pushpagiri.
Ashokan has not come?
He went to hospital with his missus. Pushpagiri.
What happened, brother? You don't have
Pushpagiri,
any strength in
Pushpagiri.
your voice? Just call in strong voice.
Hey, we are very poor guys. We don't have the power of police.
Don't kid me.
I think you both are going for shopping from the first month's salary, right? Huh, but you see, there is no one to buy even a shirt for me.
Ah, so that only you find out someone here. Sometime they will give you for sure. Sister? Okay, come,
Come, let's go.
My God. I don't think there'll be liquor for anyone today. Is that a tank inside?
Hey, party, bring me one more.
Huh?
Take your hands off.
Muthu, when were you released from the jail?
Dude, in a way, these people are very lucky, you know. They don't have any home or family. They can just wander around and be happy.
Yeah, what you said was right. Raghavan bro is not in his house and his wife in bed. Lucky man.
Raghavan sir kept you with him as his own brother, huh? You had your bread and butter in that house, huh? There's no point telling you anything.
Hey, I'm gonna kill you today. Hey, hey.
Yes, Raghavan doesn't have a family. He doesn't have children. But he had all this long ago. And I know today who had shattered my family. And still I'm leaving you alive. Because I thought you're just like a younger brother to me. That's the reason. But you... Once again you raised your bloody hands against my children. Bloody, I will burn you and throw your ashes into the nearby river, okay?
Why so early today?
It's nothing. Even though I went for work today, I couldn't stay there. That's why I came here. To see you.
Even I'm thinking of seeing you.
I came to give this to you.
Hey, why is this? I was just joking yesterday. Why you bought this for me?
No, it's okay. Now you needn't think that there's no one to buy you a shirt.
Except Ashok brother. Nobody is so affectionate to me like this.
From now on, I'm there, right?
I'm leaving. Meet you tomorrow morning.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Who are you? Why have you come here?
Leave me. No relationship between both of us. Then why are you stopping me now?
I saw a lady's photograph in your purse. Who is she? Tell me who is she?
You cheated and ran away from a poor lady. I'm the son of that lady. The moment you saw my wallet, I saw that you got really shocked. Then I came to know you are my dad. I'm your blood only. I'm not mistaking anyone. But my mom, did you ever search her after leaving her? She only told me to come to this place. But I saw a devil, that's you. Just like that, you left 3 children and a mom and you ran away.
may forgive anybody, but I will not forgive my wife at all. For that, I have my own reasons for that.
Yes, everybody will have a point to escape from their mistakes.
I know how the end of my life will be. And it will happen very soon also. You'll have to inform her that I passed away. Just one request from my side to you.
Stop. What do you think? I'll be in the jail for my whole life? I was just waiting for so long for you and your sister to shape up very well.
Keep your wishes to yourself.
I know how to fulfill my wishes.
You think wrongly. In some circumstance, my mom was with you. So don't think we are also like our mom, okay?
Whatever I decide for, I had definitely got it. Hey!
You will not get this wish of yours. Until I'm alive, I won't let this happen.
Remember these words. I would not let you both just live like that.
Yeah, I got your applications. But there is no document in it. Okay, better you send it me again.
Hey,
You have
why
my
are you sitting on
address.
the bumper?
Okay,
Sorry,
I'll wait
bro.
for it.
How do I make
Alright,
you
thank
understand
you.
all these
Yeah,
things?
Really sorry.
Bye. I'll call you back. I'll call you later.
Sir, sir, where are you going? Sir!
Hey, stop! Don't run! Hey! Hey, stop! Hey, stop! Who sent you? Tell me! I'm asking you, tell me who sent you?
I'll tell you. It's Alex.
From today, he should not live in the city anymore. My daughter should not have any doubt on me. That's the reason I told him to come here. And that's the reason I called you guys also. Understood?
Okay, sir. I'll take care of that.
This is in advance.
Thanks, sir.
Balance once the work is over.
Okay, leave now.
Okay, sir.
Where did you go, sir? MD was looking for you.
Where is he now?
He's inside.
Sharath, I was actually inquiring about you. Where were you till now, dear?
I'm coming from the guys whom you sent to kill me now.
What? To kill you? Who? Huh? Tell me. Tell me. Who are they? But I don't think you have any enemies in the city, dear. But we'll give a complaint to the local police station. Okay? I hope you're okay. Huh? No. You be cool. We'll inquire, dear. We'll inquire. Sure. Come on. You take some rest. Come on. Go, dear. I lost my money and the work is not completed also. Bloody shit.
So who is that? Trying to kill me now. They told Alex is trying to kill me. But still, why he wants to kill me?
Sharath sir? What happened? Why are you looking so dull?
How you're treating me?
What? You don't know anything about that? You are my better off. I like you very much.
Did your dad knows this?
Yeah, you know. He said he will share with you in some time.
I can't see you like that, okay?
Sharath.
Your dad has helped me in a lot of ways till now. But I just can't be like this, okay? Because I'm treating you as a good friend.
You will not believe he's coming and asked me directly who sent those guys to hit him. Bloody fools, I'm telling you now. Bloody, if you promise something, you have to act accordingly, okay? I had given money to you guys to just send him away from this place. But did you do that, you stupid guys? Instead of that, getting caught in front of him and telling some normal excuses is all nonsense. I cannot accept all this shit. Huh? No, don't give me any excuse at all. I want him to go from this place at the earliest. That is your job. Yes. Until at least my daughter's getting married. If I involve in this directly, my daughter will have a doubt, man. You know, my daughter's future is very important for me. Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
How are you, dear?
Daddy will feel a lot, right?
What are you up to? What's going between you two?
To whom?
To whom? Bloody that Sharath.
That is Daddy. That is.
You love Sharath?
Yes. But Sharat don't know that.
Oh. Okay. You need not speak to Sharat. For my daughter, I will speak to him at the earliest. Hmm? It's my duty to give a wonderful life to my daughter. If it's not possible for you, then I will take care of.
I never expected this from you, Daddy.
My dear child, please, my child.
If you like that girl, I will talk with Alexander.
When she was a child, she used to hold my hands and walk. I like her a lot. But her caste, her money, Alex will not accept for this at all. She will get a nice guy better than me. Tomorrow I'm going to leave from this place.
You don't worry. Everything will become okay.
Sister, please don't call me as sir.
Mm.
I feel like I'm a third person here. The lot of tough situations, whatever you doesn't know, I have within me. Everything, it's okay. It will not be fine. I'm moving now.
Mm.
I have to get ready with my luggage.
Sister, I will go and come. I'll need to talk with Alex. Mom? Very sad of him.
Yes, mother.
Hey, sister.
Again, you came here. Just get lost from here.
Oh my god. You're very sick now. Don't raise your BP anymore. You see, I took care of you for so long. You know, in those days, I never bothered about it. You know why I spent so much on you? Because you had beautiful 3 mangoes with you.
Hey, you spoiled my entire family. Past 23 years, I'm facing this problem. You said you see my daughter like your daughter. Hereafter, I won't hide anything. I'll inform everything to my daughters. Then only I will die.
Is it?
Just get lost. Get lost from here. I should not see your face anymore. I done a big mistake that I suffered in my life now that I come to know. Again, I can't able to bear that. Don't do anything. Just get lost from here.
I'll leave. But before that, I need your eldest daughter. I love her so much. I want her.
Hey!
have you come here?
Hey Muthu, why you came here? Tell me why you came here. This is the last warning for you. You should leave this area right now.
Hey, leave way. Move.
Why have you thrown everything down, mother? 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 Mother?
My dear, everything is my mistake. I know that. If I had taken care of you and our children very well, my dear, you should forgive me. Everything is because of me.
Raghava,
All the mistakes I have done, I have rectified it, Father.
Hey! Jose, he murdered our Marilyn auntie.
Oh my god!
We should not leave him.
Come, we'll catch him.
You had destroyed my family. Now you're destroying that poor girl also.
Yes. Yes, I was the one who spoiled your family. Huh. Whatever I have wanted, I have got it. Come. Hey. Ah!